Hello friends from the QA testing channel. My name is Luis Contreras and I am a software test engineer here in Aguascalientes, Mexico. In today's video we will check on what is database testing and why it is important for a test engineer to have at least basic good database knowledge. So database is what gives consistency to an application. A good design is very important to a database, and as a test engineer it's good to have at least the basic knowledge of the concepts like ACID, CRUD and normalizations, so we can have good technical understanding on what are the terms that consist on that application and database. As a tester, also good database knowledge helps us for test data, which sometimes you are getting access to a certain database to get information, and then you get some queries, so it helps us to understand what those queries are built on, and also sometimes it helps us to modify those queries or even to create our own queries, so it's always good to have good database knowledge on the basics. It also helps us for mapping testing in the validations, so we can check, whether what it's on the application it's replicated on the database and vice versa. It is always good to have the basic knowledge on the database so it can complement our technical skill and understanding on things. It's always good to have that. So what is database testing? In software systems, the information that it's moved on the front-end application will be stored in the back-end database. So the main idea on the database testing is to validate whether the information and the functionalities work on the front end, such as deletion, updation, saving, or movements on information like orders or different movements of that type, are actually stored in the databases with the same exact value that they are supposed to do. For this, testers should have a good understanding on writing queries, checking tables, checking databases, procedures, and so on. These testings can be done on different databases like SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, and so on. This type of testing is really common in financial projects, health insurance projects, banking, so it's really important, a really important part of the testing world, and it's always good to know the information. It helps to understand the basic knowledge, like queries, store procedures, triggers, and those things can help us to have a good understanding. And whether we are not doing a project on the database testing, it's always good to complement the information that we already have, so we can have good conversation and understanding the design on different parts of the application itself. So that will do it for today's short video. I hope you guys enjoy it. My name is Luis Contreras from the QA testing channel, and see you next time.